Yes, plumbing companies should seriously consider joining their local Chamber of Commerce because it builds trust, brings in referrals, and connects you with other business owners who can send work your way. Think of the Chamber of Commerce like a big neighborhood club for business owners. When you join, your plumbing company gets listed where local homeowners and other businesses go looking for trusted help. People trust a plumber more when they see that badge or membership sticker because it shows you are established and accountable in the community. Here's something a lot of plumbers do not realize. Many chambers actually track referral partnerships behind the scenes, meaning real estate agents, home inspectors, and property managers often ask the chamber directly for a trusted plumber recommendation before they even search online. Also, most chambers host monthly mixers or lunches, and those rooms are full of other local business owners who need pipes fixed at their own shops or restaurants. Showing up consistently, even just once a month, can build relationships that turn into steady commercial contracts down the road. One common mistake is joining the chamber and then never actually showing up to events, which makes the membership almost pointless, so try to attend at least one event every month to stay visible. Another misconception is thinking chamber membership alone will bring in customers automatically, when really it works best combined with online reviews and a strong web presence, so treat it as one piece of a bigger marketing puzzle. A lot of plumbers also forget to actually use their chamber membership badge on their website, trucks, and business cards, and that small trust signal can make a real difference when someone is comparing 3 companies at 10 o'clock at night. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.